Today, we'll be creating an app using Bolt. It's going to look like this. So we're going to have a notes manager. You're able to search through your notes, and you could toggle off light and dark mode. So let's say, blah, blah, blah. And then you could add a tag here, and unselect it. And here's your note. Let's get started. Okay, now that it's ready and it's generated everything, we can see that it has put a host. Our host is here in preview. It might take a while to load. If it doesn't load, just let Bolt know and it'll help fix. Now here we see we have a light and dark mode. We can search through our notes, and most importantly, we can add a note. Now, one thing I don't like is how this is blue. Now I want it to be like white. So let's tell it that. In the add new notes section, I don't like that the font is blue. Please make it white. Also with the cancel button. Okay, send it. Now to create an app, you're going to go to Bolt.new, create an account, and log in. And you'll have this screen. What do you want to build? So basically, you're going to enter your prompt. So since we're making a notes manager, we're going to tell it, create a React app that is going to manage notes. It's going to be called Notes Manager. At the top, you will have the title, the search notes, and the toggle to light and dark. Next, we're going to work about creating a note. Also, create a button on the bottom right that will open a window to add a note. It will include content, title, content, tags that you can add, and an add button to add it, plus a cancel button. Okay, now we're gonna have like these pin notes, edit notes, and the trash icon. So let's tell it that. Now, once you have created a note, the note will appear, which will state the title, date of today, and the content. The content and the text. There will be 3 icons. The edit button to edit the text, the trash button to trash the note, and the pin button. Okay, now we can send it. So here it is going to make us all the code. Now all we gotta do is wait. Okay, now that it's ready and it's generated everything, we can see that it has put a host. Our host is here in preview. It might take a while to load. If it doesn't load, just let Bolt know and it'll help fix. Now here we see we have a light and dark mode. We can search through our notes, and most importantly, we can add a note. One thing I don't like is how this is blue. Now I want it to be like white. So let's tell it that. In the add new note section, I don't like that the font is blue. Please make it white. Also with the cancel button. Okay, send it. Now that that is done, we could check if the add new note section was corrected. We could see that it has not. It has only corrected the cancel. So now we gotta update the add new note. So let's tell it. Make the add new note text in the section white too. Now here in the code, you could see it updating. It's gonna update everything. Now you could see here, there's a refresh icon. So if you're gonna have to refresh that every time it updates. So let's see, is it done? It's done. So let's refresh it. And now, yay, it worked. Awesome. Okay, now let's test out if everything works. Blah, 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 blah. Example. Perfect, it works. One thing I don't like is that it's black in light mode. See? It looks fine in dark mode, but when you go to light mode, it doesn't look that good. So let's tell Bolt again. When I create a note, the note that is created turns out to be blue in the background. I don't like that. Make it white. Also make it so, well, I like it in dark mode, but I don't like it in light mode, so let's tell it. I like how it is blue in dark mode, but I don't like it being dark in light mode. Fix. So now it's going to fix this by editing everything. Now, as you have gotten to this step, you might have Bolt might have told you that its tokens might have ran out. So tokens are basically like strings, like characters, and if you want more, you're gonna have to upgrade to premium. So that's why it's recommended to put like everything into one response, so you can like add all of this into just one big response and just tell it, and it'll generate everything correct. Okay, updating. Let's see. And this does not work. Okay, let's tell it again. Now, as it's in a really early issue, like it's only been created a few days ago, I think. It's in this early development stage, and it may have a lot of glitches and bugs. So, okay, let's tell it again. In light mode, the background of the note is blue. I don't want that. I want it to be white in light mode. Now, let's see what it's gonna create. So it's updating everything, and I think it's going to create some themes here. Let's see. No, it's the buttons. Okay, oh, it's done. Okay, reload. Let's see. Just gotta fill it out. Okay, what happened? Okay, if it doesn't if you click on this button and it doesn't work, there's another thing you could try. So press Ctrl+C or Command+C depending on your operating system, and do npm run dev. This will like reload everything. So now let's wait. Unfortunately, that did not fix it. So I was forced to reload the page, and when I did, all of my progress was gone. That's why I just had to restart and make a notes manager. Now, because it's in this early development stage, it might have a lot of glitches. But by the time that you're seeing this, these glitches probably are non-existent anymore. They probably have fixed it. Okay, back to this. Now, let's see. Did it work? Okay, it's blue, but I kind of like it. Now it's kind of good. Well, you guys understand the point. You're going to tell what Bolt to do if it's bad, and it's going to implement those features. Perfect. Now, how do we create a website like this one? Now, Bolt provides an easy deploy button right here. All you're going to do is click the deploy button. Now, it's going to create a Netlify app. It's partnered with Netlify to make these Bolt apps. So, let's see. So now it's building this application file. And where's the application file? And deploying to Netlify. Let's see. There we go. Our very own website that we can have. And we could search, blah, blah, blah. Very nice. Now, as you can see, the website's going to be removed after 1 week if you're not going to claim it. So be sure to click the link, log in, or create an account, and be sure to claim it, and maybe have your own domain. So you could probably have like, let's see, notesmanager.netlify.app or notesmanager 100 if it's taken. You get the point. Now, next video I'll be talking about is how to implement API keys into Bolt. So it's all good. Bolt is good. But let's say you want to create an app that will get text and make an AI generated photo. That way you're going to get an API key from ChatGPT, from OpenAI to use. So it's going to use the API key to tell ChatGPT, and it's going to say, I have an API key. Can I access the OpenAI server? And it's going to be like, okay. And then it's going to access all of this and be able to generate a picture for you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.